All right, what's going on, everybody? Thanks for joining me again. I'm Bob Van Dillen. It's America's Weather Center. We're back down in Studio W right now. I want to show you what's going on across the region. You've got this upper level low that's spinning out right across northern part of Kentucky, and it's spitting out some snow. Look at this by Tennessee, right through the mountains. They're getting into the Smokies, North Carolina, too. I think the other big story, though, is temperatures. Look at these things that plummeted. 30 in Hazard, 30 in Cincinnati, and that's not even with the wind. Feels even worse when you add the wind factor in there. 33 in Nashville, 33 degrees to 32 around Asheville itself. There's our big sprawling upper level low pressure region, right? That's the upper level low around Kentucky down to Tennessee. The surface storm itself, it's moved on just a little bit farther. So here it is moving out of New York with the cold front dropping down in this direction. Temperatures in NYC have just dropped about 10 to 15 degrees in the last 2 hours. Now, the cold front's gone through, and it's pushing offshore. Look at the lake effect snow behind that, and that's another thing we'll be talking about in just a second. But here is the water vapor imagery, and you can really see it shining pretty nicely, right? That's just showing you where the vorticity is located, where the spin, where the energy is in the atmosphere. One extra shot is moving away from the coastline. That's our surface low. There's our mid to upper level low as it spins right down through Kentucky into Tennessee, and it's dragging that Arctic air behind it with a lobe of that cold weather right over the Great Lakes, which obviously is warm this time of year still. So you got the lake effect snow. It's hammering out there. Upper level snow, that's right there. Cincinnati falling down to the surface. A little bit of light snow shower action here. Charleston, West Virginia, you're getting it too. Looks a little bit brighter right there when you're talking about the I-77 corridor going up the I-64. That could be traveling troubles right there. You're talking about that region all the way into eastern parts of Kentucky. Again, that's not the lake effect stuff. That's the actual storm system itself as it peels right down out of the Great Lakes and stretches into areas out there by the mid-Atlantic states. So zoom into Charleston. You can see most of the snow is coming in up the mountains. And this is what you're going to see. I've got Cody Bro driving it for me right now. You can see the live radar. Yeah, downtown Charleston, not quite into heavy stuff. You get farther up to the north, it's dropping down in that direction. You can see Huntington also. Decent amount of snow for this time of year, no question about it. It's November 10th, and we're talking about a good winter storm warning area right here. The snow itself stretches way down through Middle Tennessee, which is Nashville, now going up across the mountains, the Smokies, out of Knoxville, too. Even look at this. Northern Alabama sliding into northern part of Georgia. Snow flurries are out there. So we got winter weather advisories for the northeastern quadrant of Georgia itself. So we've got that in detail. North Atlanta should still be warm. And you're talking temperatures still in the 40s. Not snow for downtown Atlanta, but check this out. Winter storm warnings from Elkins, West Virginia, all the way down just outside of Charleston. If you know the area, that's the highest elevated spots. We're looking at the winds going right up the mountains, and that's where we're going to see a good half a foot or more of snow out of this stuff. And then you get down to the south. You're talking about North Carolina mountains, the Tennessee mountains. Winds are blowing up, it condensing out, and it gets colder. Above 3,500 feet in elevation, that is where we're going to see about 6 to 8 inches worth of snowfall between this afternoon and early tomorrow. So let me wind it up for you. This is what it looks like over the next few hours. There goes our snow right through Kentucky into West Virginia out of the Ohio Valley. 6 p.m. This is your drive time. If you're getting out there at work, going back from school, not so great. Charleston down to Beckley into getting close to the Virginia mountains all the way through Boone. Yeah, you talk about Manary, Boone, all the way down through Gatlinburg in Tennessee. The snow is going to be here. It's going to be heavy at times, especially over the next few hours. It pulls away. By tomorrow afternoon, there's a weak low but low pressure that races in, but it's going to be warmer. You got high pressure ridging in, which is a drier air mass that comes in out of the south. That's going to dry out, but it's enough to get some light rain showers around Kentucky into the lower part of Ohio, West Virginia as well. So the big story, how much snow are we going to get over the next few days? And we're talking about through tomorrow afternoon. Look at that darker shade of pink. That's outside of Elkins, outside of Charleston. You're getting into what, the ski country right here? That is a good 8 to 12 inches worth of snow. That is all our upper level stuff as it continues to pull away. But of course, it's all about the lake effect as well. It's about the air travel also. Air travel is going to be disrupted, and it has been for the last several. Lake effect snow, let's get right to it, because this is going to be a huge story over the next couple of days, especially starting this afternoon through tomorrow. So we'll switch it over to lake effect snow machine, and this is what we're watching because it has been heavy at times, especially near Chicagoland, all the way out through areas like Cincinnati and Cleveland. There she is. What's up, Sandra? How are you?
Thank you so much for having us. We brought our camera in here so our Fox viewers can get the update from you.
Yeah, it's good to see you.
You too.
Yeah, your hometown got smashed early this morning, Chicago.
I know. What's happening here? Because I know my family in Chicago got a lot of snow. I was just joking, Saginaw, Michigan. We were always talking about it. It's getting the snow, but all this snow seems to also be moving into the northeast now.
Yeah, it is. It's getting blasted across our region. So our upper level low is right there. But I want you to look at the visible satellite imagery. The stuff that's moving right here, Sandra, that's the cloud cover. The stuff that is not moving right here, that's the freshly fallen snow. You can see it right here. And we're talking about 18 inches of snow across the UP in Michigan.
Wait, 18
inches of snow, UP in Michigan.
A lot of snow.
Yeah, 32 degrees. Look at your Chicago band. Now it's moved away. There was actually a warning for a water spout here last hour. That's northern part of Indiana. So that snow is all moving over towards the east. But that's the heaviest band right now. It's going through I-80. You know where it's going to go.
As far as travel conditions, we know that because of the shutdown, so many flights are already delayed and canceled. This could make matters a little bit worse, I imagine.
Oh, yeah. You know what? When the government's had its lights off for, what, a month and a half now, and then things are starting to build air travel-wise. I know I've been delayed a couple of times. This is what we're looking at. You add the weather to it. It's a mess. Chicago's the worst, O'Hare especially.